CS50 Introduction to Python. I started to do the CS50 Python, this course, and I already solved the problem set 0 and the problem set 1. I needed to solve the problem set 2 now. I have 90 problem sets. I needed to solve the 90 problem sets and the final project. It's been difficult. This course it's the introduction to Python, but it's difficult. It's difficult. You need to work hard. I was searching about courses to do about software developing, and I saw a post in Reddit that showed the opinion of one guy that made all CS50 Harvard courses. I read the entire post and I'm here to talk about this post and my CS50 journey on learning, about what I will do and what I planning to do. The post talked about courses that I think that don't have now, but I will talk about the courses that have now and I'm thinking do the course. The post talked about the introduction to Python, the CS50 Introduction to Computer Science, the CS50 Introduction to SQL, the CS50 Introduction to Web Development, and Introduction to Cybersecurity, and to Game Development. But I don't know, this game development was with C#, and I don't think they have the C# now, it's other thing. But I will talk more about it. The CS50 Introduction to Python, the guy said that it is the easiest course that have in CS50. Is the difficulty is medium, but is the easiest is to the people that is starting, the beginners, and you should start with this course, the Introduction to Python CS50. Is the difficulty that the guy put is medium, is to beginner, is to people that is being introduced to Python, but is Harvard pace, is to beginners, but it's difficult. Is medium difficult to beginners. Is Harvard pace is difficult. I'm doing, and it's to beginners, but you need to watch the lectures, you need to watch the shorts, you need to think, you spend days thinking on the problems, is very difficult. I started with this course, I heard that this is the best course to start, even this course being a Python course, it's the easiest, the best to start, because Python you have a relation with other things and you start learning good. Have the CS50 Introduction to Python, CS50 Introduction to Computer Science. This course is also to beginners, to people that don't know nothing about computer science, but the guy valued like this is a hard course, the difficulty is hard. They think it is. The course is to beginners, everyone can do the course, but it's Harvard pace, the projects, is difficult, the problem sets that you need to solve, and the final project I heard and have lectures, 10 classes, the C, SQL, HTML, the CSS, JavaScript, Python, C, Scratch, and other things. And you need to solve 10 problem sets, 10 problems with these 10 lectures. It's difficult, this 10 is hard paced, it's to beginners, but it is difficult. And in the final, you need to send the final project that is a full stack application, full stack software. That is very hard to do. This final project is projected to be the hardest project that you ever made in the course, and you will need to spend more time doing this course, more time in thinking the idea of this project, and spend more time because it's more difficult. Then this is the CS50 Introduction to computer science. Have the introduction to SQL, that is the database language. The SQL isn't the funniest language to learn, like Python, that you can make games, everything is more boring. You only manage the databases. But the guy valued this course in the difficult medium. It's a medium course. It's a course you learn SQL, manage databases, basic queries. It's to beginners. Every Harvard CS50 is to beginners, but it's difficult also. It's medium difficult. In the final of the video, I will talk about what I'm planning to do, the sequence of the courses, and if I will do these courses if I want to, but have the SQL, a database management language, and have this course. Have more the introduction to cybersecurity. This is the easiest course that Harvard CS50 have. You only need to solve problem sets, that it's a more quiz questions. The problem sets is very easy, and the final project is catch a news about cybersecurity and make a video talking about it. It's the easiest course in CS50 that the guy valued. The problem sets, I don't remember exactly what is, but it is easy. Okay, have more the CS50 web development. Now have other web development. I think it's the web development with JavaScript and Python. The other was with Flask and Django, but have this, they get evaluated with very difficult. It's one of the most difficult. You need to break your head doing this course, thinking on the problems. It's very difficult. I don't know if it's the same course that the guy said and this one, because this one have the JavaScript and the Python, but it's very difficult to also have the introduction to artificial intelligence with Python. This is very difficult. I already started this course, as you know, but I couldn't do. It's really difficult. You can understand the classes. Okay, I watched the classes, the lecture about artificial intelligence, about have the minimax, the minimax, the algorithms that artificial intelligence have, the algorithms that follow the puzzles. Okay, you can understand the concepts. But when you need to start the problem set, it's very difficult problem sets, very difficult puzzles with artificial intelligence. You need to understand Python and the artificial intelligence to do this course. The requirements was 1 year of experience with Python or already made the introduction to Python with CS50. This is a really difficult course. You need to have the Python, the pre-knowledge of, don't have pre-knowledge, you need to have experience with Python, the pre-experience with Python to understand the course and do the assignments. This is very difficult, is 10 problem sets and the 12 quizzes, don't remember, but have quizzes and assignments, problem sets. It's, I think, is the most difficult CS50 Harvard course. Okay, now I don't know if the guy saw it, but now have the CS50 error, that is a language to work with statistics, data, matrices, linear algebra. Have this course also, and had the CS50 game development that the guy said that is very difficult. You use C# with Python or on C#. It's very difficult. You need to have a deep knowledge about C# to, okay, I don't remember exactly, but I don't remember this course on CS50. But it's very difficult, you need to break your head to make it. Okay, the course that I most thought and had my attention was CS50 SQL, Introduction to Python, Introduction to Computer Science, Cybersecurity, R, Web Development, and Artificial Intelligence. I have the initial desire to do these 4, not the 7. And I will talk about what I will do now. I'm planning to finish the introduction to Python. I will finish it, post everything on my GitHub, have all course documented in my GitHub, finish it, and you have the knowledge of Python. After, or introduction to cybersecurity, because it is very easy and cybersecurity is very important. Have knowledge of have security in the cyberspace is easy. You can, I think I can do in 2 days. 2 days, 3 days, you can do this course. It's easy. It is very good to understand about computer science, cybersecurity. It's a good course to do. After introduction to SQL. Okay, I have the desire to work with AI, Bitcoin, entrepreneurship, but I don't have a direction in my life. I don't know exactly what I will do. Then I also have the skill in my school. It will be to my school because I need to do assignments to school to understand the skill. Then I will understand more about the skill that is very important to manage database and work with data, and also study for school, do assignments for school more easy. This will be good. To work with data in general, you need the skill. Skill is the language to manage databases. The data science, data engineers, and data analysts need to know skill. This is an introductory course. I want to spend my entire life, my entire career understanding it. It's good to have a base, a foundation. Okay, I know a little bit about everything, but I know a little bit of Python, SQL, C Sharp, Java. I know a little bit, but I will focus on Python, but I know a little bit of other languages. Then I think it's good to understand the skill, is introductory course. I will study for school, for the course also. Maybe I need to find a job that it's good to have skill. I will do this course because it's good. After, the plan is to do the CS50 Introduction to Computer Science. This is the course that I planned to do, but it's very difficult. You need to spend very weeks. 2 weeks ago, I don't knew if my English was so good to do the course. Then I will do the CS50 Introduction to Computer Science after this trip. It's the foundation. You need a foundation. This course will talk about computer science in general, about various languages. I already know a little bit about JavaScript, HTML, C, Python, but I need to do this course to have introduction, have a base of computer science. After, I don't know if I will be good enough to do the artificial intelligence or the web development or the ARI course, because the ARI is useful. Okay, it's good to have the ARI, to know a new language, but I need to focus. Okay, what I wanna know. I wanna know ARI or artificial intelligence. It's better do the ARI course after the intelligence or the artificial intelligence course, or only do the artificial intelligence. Thinking now, because I needed to have requirements to do the artificial intelligence course. Need to have other knowledge to do this course because it's very difficult. I think, okay, I did the Python course, I did the cybersecurity, the SQL, introduction to computer science. Okay, now I have a foundation computer science in Python because these two work with Python. I have understanding about algorithms, logic, computer science. Okay. Maybe now I can do the artificial intelligence course, introduction to artificial intelligence. Or maybe it's better do the web development first, because it works with Python. I don't know, but I will put okay, Python, cybersecurity, SQL, computer science after artificial intelligence, because this is my goal. Understand AI, work with AI, Then, if I don't have the knowledge to do this course now, I will study to Python and artificial intelligence specific to do this course. This is the order. After, I don't know if I should do the web development JavaScript with Python course, but have these two, Python and web development course. And there, these two I don't know if I will do. I have other courses, I have the free code camp that now I signing, and have other courses, have the mathematics that I also need to learn. I need to have focus, don't try to do everything. Then these two I don't know. But these five I will do. This five is 100%. These two no. Then this will be my journey: Python, cybersecurity, SQL, computer science, and artificial intelligence. This isn't the only thing that I do with my life. I have other things to do: the school assignments, the mathematics, the linear algebra that I need to learn. Then only do these 5 courses, and the other things in my life will be difficult, will be hard. I also need to learn English, become C2. This course is 100% English, then this will help me, but I need to speak and write. For now, this will be my journey in CS50 courses. Have the CS50 courses. Have other courses, have the free code camp courses. I can change it if it would be better, but for now, is it. I hope you liked it. Thank you for your attention. Bye.